Hello, I'm Wave. We will learn about Dispersion Image in Adobe Photoshop. Dispersion, as you know, in general, means the action or process of distributing things or people over a wide area. Other meanings like the separation of white light into colors, or of any radiation according to wavelength, that is with the help of prism. This can be done in physics in other video with miles tails per hour. Now, let's take Sonic's image and get started dispersing it. First step, take 2 copies of an original image. Second step, in the first image layer, select around the way of each character using Lasso tool, then fill using Content Aware tool. Third step, in the second image layer, use Quick Selection tool to select the entire character, and then apply mask. Fourth step, duplicate the masking layer by using shortcut key Ctrl and J, and then apply mask to the next image layer. Fifth step, apply a Liquify effect from the Filter Options menu. The distorting tools which are same from Adobe Illustrator as discussed much before, including Warp tool, Pucker, and Bloat tool, Twirl tool and others. All you have to do is to use Warp tool, adjust the size, and then apply on an image. Sixth step, apply mask on a distorted image on this layer. This should appear black while holding down the Alt key. And then in the next image, without the use of Alt, it will appear white, just like we discussed about alpha channels. Then the foreground color is set to black. Seventh step, use a dispersion brush to select which one is scattering. Just like the particles scatter in the air, then apply on the mask layer, but on the side of each character. And the final step, the dispersion effect is now ready. So, this is in much detail about making dispersion effects in Adobe Photoshop. Like, comment, and subscribe now.